On the morning of March 30th, 2024, sunlight illuminates the earth, bringing a radiant glow to all. In this splendid moment, Anhui Tangxing Equipment Technology Company, Limited, celebrates a grand milestone, the successful launch of the Sembilan 1,800mm rock pipe jacking machine. The atmosphere at the celebration is warm, as leaders and guests gather together to witness this exciting moment. YB Anthony Loke Siew Fook, Minister of Transport, Malaysia, YB Parliament, YB State Assembly Negeri Sembilan, DATO SERI Li Tian HOCK, founder of Matrix Group, DATO Lul Ting JP, President of the Negeri Sembilan Chinese Business Association. 52 leaders and guests attend the Tangxing Malaysian Factory Sembilan Rollout ceremony. This machine combines outstanding performance with powerful crushing capabilities, demonstrating exceptional efficiency in long-distance excavation. Capable of tackling both hard rock and complex geological formations with ease, its debut not only signifies a major breakthrough in technological innovation for Tangxing Equipment Technology Company, Limited, but also cements the company's leadership in the global high-end trenchless equipment manufacturing industry. The successful rollout of the Sembilan pipe jacking machine represents a significant achievement in Tangxing Technology's global strategy. We are confident that the Sembilan will achieve remarkable success in future jacking operations, contributing significantly to the development of Malaysia's underground infrastructure. Furthermore, Tangxing Technology will continue to uphold its commitment to technological innovation, delivering superior products and services to customers worldwide and propelling the industry forward.